laptops will rise up with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you have a laptop and you want it to be a little higher, maybe it's just too low when it's on the table, maybe you want something lifted off your lap, maybe you want to stand at a table and use your laptop like it's on a standing desk, well then you can pick up this little bad boy. I did, and I want to check this out because it looks like a riser for a laptop that is also pretty small with actually a decent amount of technology. And first of all, it comes with a USB extension cord, and that is to power the cooling fan that I think is built into this little bad boy. Now I think this should be pretty straightforward because everything is already assembled, but it's actually fairly light. This plastic here is pretty nice. It seems pretty robust. It has a matte textured finish on it. You can see that cooling fan right in there. It is big, dude. That is like a 6 or 7 inch fan right in there. On the bottom end here, we have some little foam feet, so it should hold it in place, 6 of those. And you can see here how it's angled. So it's going to put the laptop at a really nice typing angle if it's just going to sit on a table or on your lap. But what you can also see here is we have a really big hinge on the back here, and so I can angle this up and down. And then if I lift it up on the inside, what we have here are some little arms. So I can open these up just like this. And now what you get is this little short arm that will feed into the little detents on this tray right here. So if I put them out like this, what you can see is that it's going to lift up that front edge. It looks like I've got about a 3-inch rise here, but if I push this back so it's more vertical and then lock it in with the arm here, I can get this to be almost parallel. So now I have this little riser standing 5 inches over the table. So if I wanted to take my laptop now and put it in here like this, now I could have it at a position that might be a little bit more conducive for my posture or body size. Now if I lift it up, lift the legs back up, it goes down like this, and now I have the laptop at a nice easy angle to type, as well as elevating the screen right back here for a little bit better eye position, which is cool. All right, so the next thing I want to show you is this little USB extension cord, because this will power the fan. So there is a little block right here with USB in there, and so I'm just going to go ahead and plug it in just like that, and then I'm going to plug the other end into the USB cord on my computer here. And what I want to show you is that that fan is spinning, and we have a little flashing LED light in there, so we're getting a little color dancing as well. Now the cool thing about this is if you have it plugged in, you don't have to unplug it to turn it off. There's a little button right there, so if I hit that, that fan is going to wind down. So you can control whether this fan is on or off with this little button, which is really nice. Some of these desks require you to actually unplug the USB cord. Now the nice thing about this is it's blowing air up. So if I were to put this laptop back on this table here, with the air blowing up, it's kind of pushing that heat out in a way, and so the laptop, one, it's up off your lap, not burning your groin, so it's definitely more comfortable that way. But now with the air circulating over this, you don't have to worry about it getting as hot, especially if your fans make a lot of noise when they're trying to cool down the computer. This is going to assist it in a big way. I can tell you, I can almost guarantee you that this is a much bigger fan than any laptop today has in it. So this is a really cool little device. It kind of squishes down into the small triangle for travel and portability, but you can absolutely raise it up with the legs down here and adjust it to your perfect height. It's also not expensive, so if you want to pick up this laptop desk, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.